I did one video, this Amish video the other day, but I didn't have my little microphone with me. And they run heavy equipment at this Amish. These are legit Amish people. They turn the windows out the equipment and put them on steel wheels. On some of it, like this one here got tires on it. This regular tires, like this knuckle boom here, this rubber tire loader. It's got a little. They took the front end loader part off and put it on like a little dolly type deal. I don't know. Maybe it's not about religion. It might be just because making maneuver in tighter spaces better. I don't know. That's kind of what they do. They running on concrete. I don't think they. I think they're running off generators stuff. I don't think they're really running. I don't see no electricity around here. But they run heavy equipment. All these fuel barrels and stuff around here. I believe they're running off of generators. There ain't no power lines or nothing around here. No transformers, no nothing. Like I said, they use normal, modern heavy equipment. They just pull all the windows out of it. They put most of it on steel or some sort of different tires. Oh boy, can run that thing too. It's a young Amish man in there. You can run it too now. And they like a normal modern sawmill. It's just equipment a little different. Like I said, they pull all the windows out, put it on steel. But he got me unloaded, so we're gonna head on down the road, a little tour of the Amish equipment.